So we're going to split some justice this evening in the ongoing battle between the JFF and the Reggae Boys by saying to the JFF, you must take some of the beating in this scenario. We know it's a pandemic and sponsorship not easy to get and blah, blah, blah. But even in that context, what is beating the JFF? But in a wicked twist of fate is that while the JFF was busy announcing to the world that they do not have a single sponsor for the Reggae Boys heading into the World Cup qualifiers, in that same period, up comes the new Premier League club body, the PFJL, and in a matter of weeks, they have garnered over $300 million and counting in sponsorship for a league that is still in limbo. So the bitter reality staring the JFF in their face is that the local Premier League that is not being played is being successfully sold to sponsors, while the big World Cup campaign cannot get a dollar. That is not acceptable, Mr. Ricketts, Mr. Wint and company. The JFF need to do better with the marketing and selling of the World Cup campaign. Uno gonna do some work. Yes, yes, sir. Uno cannot depend on the Maverick to defend Uno and bail Uno out and make Uno look good. Uno gonna put in some work. Mr. Ricketts, Mr. Wint, remember, God help those who help himself. You understand what I mean?